That day was the first day for little kitty to take a bath. However, the little one was not scared at all, and even climbed into the water on its own. It seemed that was a clean and obedient baby cat. The cat's owner, in order to make the bath more comfortable for the kitten, decided to first let it get used to the environment, before starting to wash it carefully. As the kitten gradually became quiet, they used their hand to splash water on the kitten's back, avoiding soaking its whole body in water, which helped the kitty feel less scared, and made the next bath smoother. Once sure that the kitten had adapted to the water temperature and environment, it could even enjoy a solo soak in the bath, afraid that the kitten might get bored. The owner also placed a few small toys in the water. But I hope the little guy doesn't pee or poop in the water. However, they still hoped that the little fellow wouldn't relieve itself in the water, or else the previous cleaning would have been in vain. Fortunately, throughout the entire process, the kitten was very well behaved and sensible. Guys, if you are watching this video and thinking the kitten was cute, please give it a thumbs up. Seeing that the little one wanted to shake itself dry, the owner instantly understood the kitten's intention. So he quickly picked it up from the water, and then dried it off with a towel. Afraid of the kitty catching a cold, the owner even wrapped it up like a dumpling. All in all, the whole experience was a success, and the kitty looked really adorable.